KV Narasimha Reddy, founder chairman of Amma Nana KVNR International Probiotic Research Foundation chairman and founder. Today, the whole world facing problem is coronavirus. I invent a new probiotic formula for coronavirus. It is 100% curable. Whole world, I am the only person identify this probiotic before I go patent rights. I am the only one person to invent this probiotic for this disease. This is probiotic is curable, not only one corona. This is also cure lung diseases, liver disease also. It is 100% best probiotic formula. What is the basic of probiotic formula? It is microbacteria. It is 100% work. There is no doubt about that. Afterwards, I went for patent rights. They are asking in vitro, in vivo studies. I went for that studies for labs. Labs asking 25 lakhs above. They are asking money. That much money I don't have. Afterwards, I wrote a letter to the Prime Minister, to the Chief Justice, President of India, Health Minister of India, and State CM also, and State Health Minister also, State Governor also wrote a letter. They don't have any response. Some more time, the Health Minister of India, they wrote a letter for me. Only ISMR can pursue this problem. They wrote a letter for me. Afterwards, I conduct a press meet at Vijayawada Press Club. The government, please pursue this. I am applied for that purpose, the conference, the press conference. They don't have any response. Sir, please listen my words carefully. The whole world, the whole India, the corona is very problematic today. I can remove this whole world, whole India within 2 months. I can remove. How it is possible? This probiotic formula is much better than vaccination and lot of medicines also. It is far better than. Why this is far better than? Virus means in Latin word. Virus is a Latin word. Virus, Latin word, it is converted as English. It is toxicity. In Telugu, Visham, poison. This probiotic is removed from the toxicity from your body. Once the remove, your body will become very fine. There is no doubt about that. In the same manner, it is working a lot of viral disease also. This probiotic is viral disease also it is using. There is no doubt about that. Last 2 months back, American virologist MS Reddy came to our India. He conduct lot of meetings. Only virus can remove only probiotics only. He is the uh, Nobel Prizes appeared 4 times. He's MS Reddy. He's very good virologist. He says lot of meetings. That's manner I find this no probiotic formula that is 100% work. There is no doubt about that. So today I inform you, please think to capitalize to capital me. Once your capital will be developed much more, no doubt about that. It is 150 rupees I can give. One dose can give 150 rupees. You are a patriotism of this India. I like very much the patriotism. How to develop India, how to welfare of India, how to Sankshema of India. That's I am liking. So I inform you, please contact me. My mobile number is 98497 19462. My email ID, small letters all are ramtmc1 at the rate of yahoo.com. Please contact me to save India. The politicians are not ignored me. So save our India, save the world is our responsible. So please think once and capitalize me and talk with me. I will save India within 2 months to remove this virus entire India. No problem. No problem at all. It is 100% working. Once the patent is coming, the clinical trials is completed, the formula will be delivered throughout India, throughout the world. There is no doubt about that. I am the only one person throughout the world applied for this probiotic patent rights. So please think once and contact me. Okay, thank you.